Oak Boulevard that infringes into the true and dedicated right of way.
Well, thank you for hearing the motion.
Yeah, absolutely.
So, we looked at this every which way we can, and given all the factors we're up against with the grading in the rear and, just the way the land is lower there, the only thing we can come up with is to get this water to stop dumping from the roof, because the roof grades towards the back quadrant. So if you're back there during a heavy rainstorm, you can see this like ocean waves coming off the back, and I mean, more water than you can imagine. It'll just go up the back of the building, maybe 8 inches, 10 inches high. So we built a curb up along the back 8 inches. We've raised the threshold on the inside of the rear of that property. But I believe that once those heavy rains start again, it's still going to come in the building. So this canopy or steel structure will grab that water coming off the back, divert it to a heavy steel commercial gutter, and take it down to where the road has more of a grade, sort of behind 5408, which is where the road kind of picks up and dumps that water on down in the natural drainage pattern. So if we can do that, then we'll also take the roof drain, which is also dumping there, and wrap that onto that awning and take that down. And being a steel structure, as we propose, it would be strong enough to handle that, the weight of that water hitting. So I hope that you guys can find a way to allow us to do that, because otherwise I'm afraid our Mexican food, if we're going to be wearing high boots when you go in there to eat.
All right, do you intend on there being any parking under the structure, or basically just a canopy covering it?
No parking. There's not going to be any parking allowed on the inside of that fire lane or on the outside of it. The only parking will be along the back of the right of way, facing the residential side.
Where is it?
Yes.
It's marked.
Yeah.
Can you explain, my understanding is that you didn't have a permit to do this work. Can you explain that to us?
Yes, I pulled a permit for 540406 building, and I had asked and discussed it that I was going to add the awning, and was told that, as long as I submitted the drawings for that to alter the application, that it would be okay, and I simply didn't get it done. I didn't get the new drawings submitted, and they carried on with the work, and it was an oversight on my part, so I hired the architect that he completed the drawing. So I apologize for that. That just got a lot of different crews going and a lot of stuff at one time, but still no excuse. I apologize.
There's going to be an awning and a gutter, and that water will come off. I guess it's the low side on that far east side there. The water is going to be directed back toward the middle of the building.
Yes.
On the road, dumped onto the road.
Yes, and it'll
We'll have the natural flow back to the.
Right. There's just enough pitch there to grab the water, and it'll flow out. I'm certain this will accomplish it. The architect that's been working with this thinks it will too. So, yeah.
What's that going to be? Is there going to be a door panel up there?
What was that?
The roof structure itself, is that going to be R panel on top of that?
Well, it's
Metal beams I'm seeing in the photos here.
actually, I don't know. The material, as we bought it, it's in 5406. It's steel, and he's saying